Hello YouTube. If you're a current subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. Today I'll be replacing the cabin air filter in this Sonic. Open up your door and move the seat back. First step, open up your glove box. Disconnect the damper. You push down on this and this should come right off. Next, push in the sides and remove the glove box. The next step is to locate the filter access door. Push in on the two tabs. Tab number 1. Tab number 2 is right here. And open it up. Now remove the cabin air filter. I like to use an Allen key. Just put it in under there, twist it, and pull. Nice and easy. If you want, vacuum it out. Here's the difference. This is 1 year old. Now install your new cabin air filter. Make sure your arrow's pointing down. Now close the door. Make sure you hear both tabs click in. Now put your glove box back on. Make sure these are sitting right here. You're gonna have to feel your way around. Alright, those are in. Push in on the two sides. Reconnect the damper. And close the glove box. Make sure it functions properly and you're done. You should replace this once a year.